Good day everyone, this is Jake Rodriguez Pomperada from Bacolod City, Negros Occidental Philippines. In this tutorial video, we will learn how to create an interface program using Java. Before we start, if you like this video tutorial, please hit the like button, leave a comment in the comment section of this video tutorial, and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming video tutorial. So let's get started. I am here in my Eclipse environment. So here, what I have already some sample programs that I wrote before. We select new, and then we select class file, and then we select this one, public static void main, to be created already by our Eclipse. And then we have here title of our program, interface underscore demo. This will be the name of our program. Click the finish button. Okay, so we have already here the body of our program, so we can start writing the code. On the top we can type interface info static final string will become constant language equals Java programming. We have here another method, public void display. Class implements info. Sorry. Simple object obj equals new simple interface demo, no, under open and close, instantiate, and then here object dot display below. We define method declared in the interface. So here, public void display we have here system out going print line language plus is fun and easy. Okay, so we have here the output, the final, no? So here we declare the interface, and then we have here the string Java programming, and then we implement the interface in this portion of our class implements info, and then we create a method here, and we create an object here obj, and then it will display, no? So we save. The next step, guys, is to run our program to test. Okay, so we have here the result. Java programming is fun and easy. So here we go, guys. We have already a program that demonstrate how to use interface in Java. So if you want, we can have here a title. Sorry. Interface program in Java. Here we can have save. Let us run again. Okay, so we have here the result that we are expecting. Run again. Wait. There's an error. Okay, we forgot to type S. Okay, guys, we have already done, no, interface program in Java. So we have here interface program in Java. Java programming is fun and easy. Before we end, I hope that you have learned something new in this video tutorial on how to declare and use interface statement in Java programming language. If you like this video tutorial, please hit the like button, leave a comment in the comment section of this video tutorial, and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming video tutorial. This is Jake Rodriguez Pomperada from Bacolod City, Negros Occidental Philippines. Until to the next video tutorial, bye bye for now.